a Stop Procrastinating Day. I'm gonna watch my show, Love and Marriage Huntsville, open up these curtains, fold those clothes. I got Basil's playpen put together. So Basil is knocked out, and I'm glad because he is a Velcro dog. Velcro dog, okay? Like, I'm trying to take a shower, I wash my hair, I need to straighten it, blow dry it, and he just likes to be on my feet. So, playpen, he knows how to use the potty pad. I just put him a fresh one in there. I'm gonna make me some eggs and toast. I have to edit a couple vlogs, wash some dishes, throw some boxes out. So yeah, let's just see what we accomplished today, okay? Something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. Something about her. Bought some AirPods. Don't know how long ago because I lost my other ones. Not lost, I don't know where they were. Left my other ones in Italy. So bought some other ones. Basil's up. And I have yet to open them, sync them. I really don't want to open them until I order my case from Amazon. So that's probably what I'll be doing today. Say hey to the people. Say good morning, dude. You need to go potty, I'll let you out. I don't like your attitude. Basil does not want to use the potty pad, so I am going to run and take him out. So outside we go. As y'all can see, I had to put that dog in his playpen. You know, move my house shoes. He all on my ankle. Just all on my ankle. So the living room I straightened up. I folded the clothes. About to get into these dishes now. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, your boy. Hey guys, I could not finish that vlog from a couple days ago, so I'm adding on to it. I was so tired, really exhausted, and it is currently Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. What's today? The 18th, Wednesday, September 18th, Wednesday. I am currently getting ready to log into my second job because it is 9:25. I start at 9:30 Eastern time because it's on Central time. And since then, earlier in this vlog, y'all seen me wash dishes and fold clothes, and I gotta do that again. And I'm not gonna show y'all that again because you just saw me do that. But living with a man and a kid and a dog, laundry, because I can wear the same stuff every day because I work from home. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hop back in. Basil is up to no good currently, but he knows his name. He knows how to sit. He's doing better with potty training. I think after I get done doing the laundry and the dishes, I'm gonna brush his teeth. I have yet to brush his teeth. I don't know how he's gonna do. I think I'm gonna show y'all how he does with that because I'm interested to see, and I want to condition him for the groomers because I believe he is a long-haired Yorkie. His hair grows so fast. So I'm gonna get situated with work. While all of this is loading up, I'm gonna wash the dishes, fold the clothes. Basil! People, say good morning. Say I have not learned to stop biting yet, but I will stop. Say good morning, people. Whoa. Say good morning. Yeah. So we're gonna brush him teeth. You ready? Probably not, but it's gonna happen. We're gonna brush teeth since we already ate. And see what else this video takes us because I won't hold y'all too much longer. But we're gonna take care of Bazy Wazy today. Wash him face, brush him teeth, and see what this Wednesday has for us. Y'all, it's like 6:48. Like 6:48. I have done very little anything because I did do my chores. Like I said, I did wash the dishes, I did fold the clothes, I did make me a small little breakfast. I did not brush his teeth. I didn't do anything. He's gone potty multiple times, but right now we're in the bathroom. We're gonna wash his face. I really shouldn't even brush his teeth because he hasn't eaten for the night. He just does his own thing. So I think I'm just gonna wash him face, and show y'all the product that I bought for him because I think the product, excuse me, no. The product that but you're gonna throw these toothbrushes away. The product that all right, clean this whole countertop. You're doing too much. Just relax. Relax, sit. Thank you. Just chill for a sec. I'll show you the product because it's really good product. I researched them. I Yuka them, which is a Yuka app that tells you if it's harmful or if it's good. I'll have to show y'all the app. Let's see. So it's this Yuka app. It's a carrot. And it like basically gives you a summary or a synopsis of the product. Sit before you fall. So like for instance, I got a deodorizer for him, which is 86 out of 100. So it says excellent. It's not harmful, without aluminum salts, and low fragrant risk, all of those type of things. But let me show y'all what I got him. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna wash his face. And then after we wash his face and I show y'all the items I got him, his Amazon package came. So we're gonna open up his Amazon stuff and see what I ordered, because I don't remember. Package has been delivered all week long, literally, from the party I'm gonna have in a few weeks, and Shein clothes that you'll see on the next vlog, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. So let's get into washing him face. Ready? So I really don't put product on his face. Like, I'm not gonna wash his face with shampoo. I really just wash his face with just water. Just water. I use a red rag. It's fresh out of the pack. It's red because all of his things are red. His colors are red, cream, and I think gray. I don't know, but relax, relax, relax. Stop. Oof. Stop. Got some sleep in you eye. Let's get the, let it go. Why you fighting so bad? This is why I'm not brushing your teeth right now, because I just know it's gonna be worse than this. I just know. You need a haircut. You need a haircut, mister. Get out of my face! Get out of my face! Horrible. Hey, what do you eat? Can't be good, because ain't no food out anywhere. What do you eat? Okay, let me show y'all his products. Come on. Woo, y'all, it was a journey trying to get these products together, but let's tell you what I got. So the brand is Kindful, and let me just show y'all what I got. We have the dental gel for the dogs by Kindful. I just got the whole collection. The deodorizing spray for dogs, and it smells pretty good. He got compliments at the vet. We have the nose and paw balm for dogs and cats. Let's see, by Kindful. Then I got the finger toothbrushes by Kindful. And I got him shampoo. I will keep up with this product. It wasn't crazy expensive. He just learned how to squeak that this week. It's Wednesday, he learned it Saturday. Thanks to my parents. So, yeah. So I like the Kindful brand. I suggest trying it for your little fur babies. Or let me know what y'all use. But for now, I'm going to stick with this brand because I like the brand. So, yes. Now I'm going to go to the mailbox. Not sure what he's running to. We'll run to the mailbox, get my Amazon package, see what else I may have. But I know the Amazon package did alert me on my Alexa saying that it was here. So I'm going to go get that and I'll be right back. I have to brush his teeth now because he decided to poop and then pick it up and start running with it. Yeah, I'm telling your business because you're freaking disgusting. Stop! I'm so grossed out. So not only did I have to get in his mouth and dig it out, I have to brush his teeth. And I'm not in the mood to do that. So stay tuned. Let's get ready to brush his freaking teeth. I'm so mad because I literally just cleaned this sink. But you about to get your teeth brushed. Like, why would you do that? Why would you do it? Why? Freaking disgusting. You ready? Stop. Don't even bite me. Relax. Relax. Come on. I've never brushed a dog's teeth, so we're about to see how this works. Open your mouth. I'm not even hurting you. Why the toothpaste not staying on there? Is this how you gonna act at the groomers? Cause this ain't it. And this is soft, so I'm not hurting you. Give me your tongue. Freaking nasty. Your little front baby teeth. Ugh. Ugh. Gross. Hold on, y'all. I want y'all to know that this toothpaste is weird. Weird. Gently brush teeth and gums, making sure to reach the back of the mouth. Relax. You being difficult. Can you see his little teeth? Him little teeth. Ooh, I can't wait. The groomer's not gonna like you. They're gonna have to put you in the headlock. That tongue. Let's get the roof of that mouth too. Oh, this is disgusting. Y'all people with kids, y'all some goats, because I never brushed Jordan teeth. I always took him to the groomer. This too much. No. Get away from me. Get away. Oh my God. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely. You mad? You finished getting your teeth brushed? We done. Ain't no more. Ain't no more. Ain't no more. It's my alarm going off. Clean the sink again. Why are you on the scale? Next, we're gonna open up his Amazon package because I didn't get a chance to, but we're getting ready to open it and see what's going on. The dog is running me ragged. I'm trying to work. It's freezing in here. I turned the air off. But let's get into this Amazon package for Basil, because I guess the loud noise he didn't like, because he definitely took off. He's scary. But anyway, I've got some more wraps. More wraps. Why are you so scary? Because his bladder is literally insane. So I'm so glad these came in. I got him some more potty pads because they were cheaper on Amazon than they were at Kroger and at Publix. I think these were like $7. At Kroger, they were like $15, $16. Give me these for $7, please. I only ordered one just to see how they absorb, because I don't know. And so I also got him this corrector, because when you say stop, sit, no, and you're giving him treats, when you say stop and following all the things, it doesn't work. So it says stop barking, stop jumping, stop dog fights, house manners. We need it for the house manners. He doesn't really bark. He has yet to bark. He does make like little whining noises, but he doesn't bark. But let's. Oh no, this is loud. This will stop me in my tracks, okay? We might return this because that was loud. He gone. Homeboy is across the street, okay? Can't even see him. He's gone. We're gonna have to talk about that one. I don't know. Hey. How you doing? Come here. I don't think he's so scary. But this bell, I decided to find it and order it on Amazon because that is how Jordan learned what door to go to potty. So because we live in an apartment, and if I'm working and I don't see him go to the front door, I want him to learn the patio door. That way he can like use the potty pad that I'll keep right there, and he'll know if I have to potty, I'll ring this bell and potty right here. Like, so we'll see. Why are you so scary? Y'all, he's literally, let's see if I can scoot back anymore. Can't scoot back anymore, but anyway, so this is the little bell that he will hit. Jordan didn't have it this fancy, but he'll just, I'm assuming everything's loud. Don't know if he'll use this yet. Maybe when he got a little attitude like he normally does, he'll hit this and say, I got a potty. So you'll hit this and say you got a potty, okay? Potty. 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 Just the way he goes forward to it. Potty. We're gonna learn it. I don't know. Ugh. We're gonna learn it. And then this hangs on the door. So you'll snap it in place around the door to him little height, which will probably be, I'm gonna have to move that up because this is darn near on the ground. You don't like it? Too loud? It is loud. But to the door, and he should be able to let me know he has to use the bathroom. So that is all for his Amazon haul. I don't think I ordered him anything else, but that is all from today. He is so scary. I'm gonna finish some chores and get me something to eat. Today is Thursday the 19th because I couldn't finish yesterday. And I'm in the same stuff I was in yesterday because I didn't go anywhere. I didn't do anything. Yep, so we're in the house. But today I'm going to go to Barbecue Barn, which is a little barbecue place that I love to get just the size. I'm not really big on meat, but I love the macaroni and cheese and the hash and rice. So that's what I'm going to get. And then we're going to train in the meantime because Buddy Boy is struggling. And it's not like I'm not trying. I do have to order him some more treats, or probably go to PetSmart and get some more treats because him out. And him the sweetest. You want to give him treats all the time. But okay, I thank you guys for watching. Ooh, who knows? Until next time, like, comment, share, subscribe to see more Basil and him training. And him training. No more teeth brushing online until he get better. Yes. But bye guys. Thank you. Say bye, Basil butt. Yep.